Welcome, people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. To all my supporters and all my channel members, thank you so much for the love and support. Silent viewers, thank you so much. Bless up yourself. As you can see by the title, I'm cooking some ackee and saltfish. Ackee and saltfish is our Jamaican national dish. So if you're not a Jamaican, let me show you what the ackee looks like before we cook. Right there on the left is our Jamaican ackee. So let's cook some ackee after the intro. Them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that. Here I have my saltfish. I have it soaked overnight to get out some of the salt. So now I'm going to be putting my saltfish to boil. Here I'm adding my saltfish to the water on the fire, and I'm just going to cook my saltfish. Now here's my ackee. This ackee comes straight from Jamaica, yeah man. And here I have my bell pepper, my tomato, my scallion, my onion, my hot pepper, my garlic, and my water on the fire boiling. I'm now adding the ackee. Look at my Jamaican ackee, yeah man. And I'm just going to add a small portion of salt to that. Alright, so I'm just gonna allow my ackee to cook, and the saltfish is already cooked, so I'm running some cold water on the saltfish, and to that I'm adding some vinegar to take out the remaining of salt in it. I'm not gonna take out all, but it's gonna take out some. So now you can see that the water changes color. That's because the vinegar takes out some of the salt from the saltfish and it changes the color of the water. See, it have that little milky looking. Yes. So that's what the vinegar does to the saltfish. So now the ackee is cooked and I'm draining my ackee. Look at it, my ackee cook and them still stand up firm. Yes. No canting around here. Joke me and make me say so because me feel on top of the world and me have the real thing. So here's my pepper and my tomato and all that, and I go get it cut up. Guys, if I can do better, my body can one. But when time me have them here, I feel on top of the world. Straight from Jamaica. Yeah man, ackee. So now I have all my scallion and thyme and onion and pepper and tomato cut up. I'm adding a small portion of oil to the pot. I don't like a lot of oil in my ackee. Yes, me no want no heap of oil in it. To each their own. Everybody cook their own way. That's why me say, in a family kitchen, me do what me please. In your kitchen, do what you please. No make nobody tell you how to do it. You do it your way. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm cooking it my way. I want a small portion of oil in it. So I'm adding my tomatoes after adding the onion and the garlic. So now I'm adding the bell pepper, the scallion, the pimento. Yes, bell pepper, scallion, tomato, garlic and onion, all of that in the pot right now. I saute it down. You know the tomato go spring little liquid. Yes. So me just stir it up and get this sauteed down. Now I'm adding my saltfish. Nice, lovely saltfish. So yes guys, even though ackee and saltfish is our Jamaican national dish, it doesn't mean that all Jamaican cook it the same way. You cook it how you want to cook it. I cook my ackee with chicken back sometimes, but now I cook it with saltfish. I'm adding some cayenne pepper and some chili powder. I give it a little spice in it. Check it out now for all of the best recipes. Sister J. Some of that food right now. So yes, the saltfish and the peppers and all that well sauteed down. So I just make little room right here so if I put my ackee in it, and then yes, look for my ackee. Can't wait to eat this. So now I just go mix in the seasoning, you know. cover it down a little, make it saute it down, and then after I saute it down a little, then me just mix it up. Yes. So me a kid and my saltfish, me add some black pepper to it. And me just mix it in and stir it out. And me take my time, because me now want my ackee broke up. So me throw some thyme in there. Me take my time, then me throw some thyme. Yes, guys, the thyme just going to give it like a flavor. So I just mix it in and me throw 2 hot pepper in there. So I'm going on over there and so a red one there. A flavor that I get in, because me no want my pepper bust, because I'm not cooking my food and can't eat it because of Mr. Pepper. Me I get the little flavor, but me no want it too spicy. Yes, guys, look at my ackee and saltfish. So I'll be eating my ackee and saltfish with 2-finger banana and 2 pieces of roast breadfruit. Anything at all you want to eat ackee and saltfish with, it good with it. Roast breadfruit, fried dumpling, fritters, rice, banana, dumpling, cocoa, sweet potato, yam, anything me say, yes. But this is what me box it down with. 2 pieces of roast breadfruit and 2-finger banana, yes. Look at it. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, work good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless
Sister J, Caribbean cuisine. Best foods. Best foods. Sister J.
Please subscribe for more.
We're from that place. Who the best? Who the best? Best place we